it symbolizes both of the Philippine and American flags as a tribute to the shared culture and connections inspired by Kasama, if you're quite familiar of Kasama restaurant sa Chicago. So it's a Michelin-starred Filipino restaurant. They're also serving in ani gyapon siya, ma'am sir. Bun gyapon siya burger. However, sa Circa is we made our own nga take. Then for that, mag-make among own nga homemade pork tocino. Then for the hash brown, instead of the usual na potato hash brown, we use sweet potato. So that's homemade sweet potato hash brown. For our side, na atay homemade po na potato chips. So for our Cicada bowl, ma'am sir, it's one of our sunshine bowls or rice bowls na options na to. So for this one, this is our bestseller. This is made of house-made lechon chorizo na siya, made by our kitchen staff. Then for the side, we have here a Spanish sardines omelette with sauteed mushroom and spinach with deep fried na onion rings. Then for our base, we have garlic rice. Presenting the Cicada Taco Pancakes, ma'am sir. For this one, we have 3 flavors. Here we have Nutella-based pancake. For this one, it's Oreo-based, then biscuit-based pancake.